I feel like it's been a long time coming, but I finally got myself one of these fancy cheese graters. And it's not just for cheese. You can actually do some slices, like you can do some carrots, you can do some zucchini. You can even do that with these ones as well if you want them to be nice and shredded. But for me right now, I'm gonna be trying this for the very first time with cheese. And I feel like, you know, if it's easy to use, if I can do it, you definitely can do it. So this is the machine itself. And these of course are interchangeable. So you just kind of take this and it goes inside here and that pops out, and then we have to attach the handle so that, and then it just clips. Oops, so I didn't need to pull that. So then it just clips, there we go. Then it clips into place, the handle. And then right here on this part, the bottom just slides into here. And then it also clicks into place. So I am going to show you this way, but then I'm going to turn it around because, oh no, actually I think I can do it on this side. So you have the grip and release. So this, you just push down on your table and turn that. And then this is not going anywhere, which I think is awesome, so that you can be doing whatever you need to do. You put what you need to put in here. And then this, you can use this to, I think it goes this way, somewhere. And then you just kind of push it down there. So I'm just going to kind of put my little Tupperware here. I've got my block of cheese, and yeah, let's just see how this works. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. Look how amazing that is. Oh my goodness. I have been using just one of those handheld graters for so long, and like, you know, you're standing there and you're, you know, doing this for like an hour. It takes so like, I am like literally shocked right now. Like, look, that like took seconds, and look at this beautifully grated cheese. Obviously I did go with the bigger one. You could go with the smaller one. And again, as I said, it's not just for cheese. You can slice so many different things or shred different things as well. But honestly, you need to get yourself one of these. This is awesome. I'm in heaven.